Hello, good evening. Good evening, sir. So, NEMA standard. So, one of the standard for NEMA, or we call also ANSI, ANSI slash NEMA FB 1-2014. So, is a standard that specify the design, construction, and performance requirements for fittings used in conduit and cable assemblies. These fittings include connectors, coupling, bushings, lock nuts, and other components that join or protect electrical raceway and cables. The standards ensures that fitting provide proper mechanical strength, grounding continuity, corrosion resistance, moisture protection, and compatibility with different conduit types such as EMT, IMC, RMC, FMC, LFMC, and non-metallic conduits. It is also outlines testing procedure to verify durability, pull-out resistance, thread accuracy, and overall safety performance. By establishing uniform requirements, ANSI/NEMA FB1-2004 helps ensure safe, reliable, and consistent installation of electrical wiring systems in residential, commercial, and industrial application. So next slide. So ang kanina standard is widely used in commercial and residential building wiring system. So next slide is muna siya ang mga examples for fitting, for conduits and cable assemblies. So diri nakapokus ang kanina standard nga ni FB1 2014. So example sa kaning sa kuan EMT, mga EMT or electrical metallic tubing, thin walled steel conduit used mainly for indoor wiring, RMC or rigid metal conduit, the thickest and heaviest metal conduit offering the strongest physical protection. So napunta IMC, intermediate metal conduit. IMC is a medium thickness steel conduit, stronger than EMT but lighter than RMC. So mas gaan siya kaysa RMC. Then napunta PVC kanang polyvinyl chloride conduit. Plastic na siya. Conduit is made of plastic offering resistance to moisture and corrosion. So dili siya mataya. So diri nga standards is ila pong gi-standardize kaning mga thread, kaning mga threaded para mupit siya sa uban nga mga fittings or conduit like sa China, sa Japan, kung unsa ang mga gi-produce sa US or sa Pilipinas, mo fit ra pud gyapon na siya sa uban. So standard ang size, standard ang mga sukod sa tradings. So another example for NEMA standard is NEMA FB2.10-2021. So residential and commercial conduit bodies. So almost the same rin siya sa tunguna. This standard provide specification for conduit bodies used in both residential and commercial settings. It ensures that conduit bodies are strong enough to protect electrical wiring and easy to install and maintain. These conduit bodies such as LB, LL, LR, C, and T-type serve as access point for pulling, splicing, and maintaining conductors inside raceway systems. The standard ensures that conduit bodies have proper internal volume, mechanical strength, environmental durability, and compatibility with various types like EMT, same sa tuna, RMC, IMC, and PVC. It also includes marking requirements and testing procedures to verify corrosion resistance, load performance, and overall safety. By standardizing these features, NEMA FB2.10-2021 supports safe, reliable, and code-compliant installation of electrical wiring. So, itong LB nga akong gi-mention, lip back or line back, lip entry plus back opening. So, mga example nila sa mga example niya sa kanang mga conduit bodies. Kasagaran mga connector ni siya. So man siya ang example sa cover sa NEMA FB 2.10-2021. So next is low voltage easy power circuit breakers. So mga circuit breakers. Also, kapareha po niya sa ANSI C119.4 2016 low voltage. So this standard applies to low voltage AC power circuit, alternating current circuit breaker used to electrical distribution system. It includes guidelines for performance testing and safety to prevent overloads and short circuits. So mga overload and short circuit yung prevent ani. These circuit breakers provide protection by interrupting fault currents, preventing equipment damage, and ensuring system reliability. The standards outlines design criteria such as interrupting ratings, insulation level, mechanical endurance, operating mechanisms, trip characteristics, and coordination capabilities. It also specified testing procedure for short circuit performance, overload operation, dielectric strength, temperature rise, and mechanical operation to verify safety and durability. By defining uniform requirements for low voltage power circuit breaker, ANSI C119.4 2006 helped ensure corrosion performance, safe installation, and compatibility across residential, commercial, and industrial electrical system. So, muna siya mga examples. Kani or circuit breaker ni siya nasa tunga. Then mga molded case circuit breaker. So next na NEMA standard is NEMA MG1 2014 Motors and Generators Standard. So kaning standard is a comprehensive standard that defines the performance, safety, construction, testing, and efficiency requirements for electric motors and generators used in industrial, commercial, and residential applications. It covers a wide range of mechanical machine types, including alternating current AC and DC motors, synchronous and induction machines, and general purpose or special purpose designs. The standard provides guidelines on electrical characteristics, temperatures, rating, insulation, classes, torque, and speed performance, vibration limits, marking requirements, and acceptable tolerances during manufacturing. It also establishes testing procedure to ensure reliability, energy efficiency, and safe operation under varying environment environmental and load conditions. By creating uniform requirements for motor and generator design, NEMA MG1 2014 supports interoperability, performance, consistency, and compliance with national electrical codes and industry best practices. So, focus na siya sa mga motors, tanan klase ng motors, AC or DC motors, and generators standard. So, pag manufacture, so man siya ang examples. Natay AC motors, naputay DC generators. So, another NEMA standard is NEMA WD6-2016. So, by the way, kani mga dust ani is murag mo na siya ang year nga last nga na revise or na update, latest revision. So, NEMA WD6-2016 is a standard that provides the dimensional requirements and configuration details for wiring devices such as electrical receptacles, plugs, connectors, switches, and related fittings. It defines the physical dimensions, shape, and pin configuration for various devices type to ensure uniformity and compatibility across different manufacturers. So, naman mga plug sa Japan, sa China, sa US, na sa Germany. So, kung maglain-lain og design, lain-lain man jud ang mga plugs or mga sockets. So, Kanang pareha og types or socket dapat magsaka na siya sa lain-lain nga design sa lain-laing country. So isa ra ang standards. So the standards includes drawing, measurements, and standard layout for NEMA plug and receptacle configuration such as 5-15, 6-20, L5-30, etc., which helps guarantee uh, proper meeting, safe operation, and interchangeability in residential, commercial, and industrial installation. By establishing consistent dimension and performance expectation, NEMA WD 2016 supports product safety, interoperability, and compliance with national electrical codes. So magamit yun siya bisag asa sa country. So mani siya ang mga examples. So like kani nga socket or kani nga plug. So 15 amperes, 120 volts, industrial grade, street blade plug. Mani siya ang NEMA 5-15P. Rewirables American plug socket. So na siya sa 15 amps. So mani siya 120 volts. So daghan kayong klase nga mga socket sa lain-lain nga country, tapos lain-lain pug ampere ratings, kay ang ampere ratings magdepende na sa gidakon sa metal sa socket. So dapat parehas sa sukod tanan kay para kanang magsakar sa lain-lain nga mga design sa uban nga country. So another NEMA standard is NEMA 250-2020 enclosures for electrical equipments. Muna siya mga panel board or mga enclosures. So NEMA 250-2020 is a standard that defines the construction, performance, and testing requirements for electrical enclosures used to protect equipment from environmental conditions. It specifies the different NEMA enclosure types such as 1, 3R, 4, 4X, 12, 13, etc., and describes the level of protection. Its type provides against dust, water corrosion, oil, ice formation, and other environmental hazards. The standard also outlines testing procedures for impact, gasket integrity, corrosion resistance, drainage, mechanical strength, and mechanical strength. By defining these enclosure ratings, NEMA 250 to 2000 ensures that electrical equipment can be safely installed in indoor, outdoor, industrial, and hazardous environments while maintaining reliability and safety. So, dapat reliable or safe jud siya. So muna siya mga example sa enclosures for electrical equipments under sa NEMA 250. So mga steel. So pag may mga stainless steel, dili siya mataya. Tapos ang iasang wala ni like ingress protection sa di po siya madalik sudlag tubig or kanang sudlan o kabog. Mga sizes sad niya standard sad. So another NEMA standard is the NEMA ICS 2-2017. So or industrial control devices, controllers, and assemblies. So kani siya nga standard is a standard that defines the construction, performance, and testing requirements. So pag-construct, unsay performance ana nila, tapos unsaon pag-test kung pasado ba or dili. Para sa industrial control devices and assemblies used in the motor controls, automation, and electrical power system. So kasagaran sa mga motor controls. It covers a wide range of components including mga contactors, motor starters, relay, control switches, push button, pilot devices, terminal blocks, and control panels. So mga kasagaran mga equipment or devices na gipagamit para sa mga motor controls. These standards outlines requirements for electrical ratings, mechanical durability, environmental performance, short circuit withstand capability, coil characteristics, temperature limits, and enclosure sus, suitability. So kay kanang mga conductors na maguna siya ay kuan kanang coil characteristics, murag pilay limit sa iyang current ba kay mga conductors naman po na siya kanang ampacity rating kay kung gamay nga contactor tapos i-install mo sa daw kay motor masunog man na siya. By establishing consistent design and testing rules, NEMA helps ensure that industrial control devices operate safely, reliability, and compatibility within manufacturing, commercial, and automation environments. So, man na siya ang examples sa industrial control devices, controllers, and assemblies. So, nata diri mga kaning sa left side is na mga terminal blocks diya. Sa tunga is na contactor, ay overload relay, contactor sa ning isa Schneider nga brand. So another NEMA standard is the NEMA PE5-2012. So utility type battery chargers. So NEMA PE5-2012 is a standard that specifies the performance, construction, and testing requirements for utility type battery chargers used in power system. These chargers are commonly applied in substation, switchgear, backup power system, and industrial facilities where reliable DC power is essential for control, protection, and communication equipment. The standard covers chargers, charger types, output rating, voltage regulation, ripple limits, overload protection, alarm functions, grounding requirements, and environmental operating conditions. It also includes guidelines for testing charger efficiency and stability, temperature rise, insulation performance, and long-term durability. So, example sa NEMA PE5-2012 utility battery chargers is muna siya. So, next NEMA standard is NEMA KES1 2013 heavy duty enclosed and dead front switches. So, it's a standard that establishes the construction, performance, and testing requirements for heavy-duty enclosed switches and dead front switches. These switches are typically used for disconnecting power, motor control, and providing a visible means of isolation in commercial, industrial, and utility applications. The standard defines mechanical strength, electrical rating, short circuit withstand capability, enclosure type, grounding, provision of operating mechanism, and durability requirements. It also specifies testing procedure for temperature rise, dielectric strength, environmental protection, and operational endurance to ensure reliable long-term performance. By providing consistent guidelines for design and testing, NEMA KS1-2013 help ensure that heavy-duty switches operate safely, interrupt power effectively, and maintain protection against environmental and electrical hazards. So kasagaran magud ni siya gipanggamit sa katang mga dagko na kay nga mga mga industries na pang outdoor na sa pang indoor. So man siya mga examples, mga heavy duty. Yung uban dagko na kay nga tanan ni. So next na standard is NEMA TP1 2002. So, guide for determining energy efficiency for distribution transformers. So, about din siya sa distribution transformers sa DO, mga distribution utility. So, NEMA TP1-2002 is a standard that provides guidelines for evaluating and determining the energy efficiency of the distribution transformer used in commercial, industrial, and utility power systems. It establishes minimum efficiency levels for dry type and liquid filled transformers, helping manufacturers and users reduce energy losses, lower operating costs, and improve system reliability. The standard defines how transformer losses, such as no load or core loss, and load windings losses, so katong duha, should be measured and combined to determine overall efficiency. It also outlines test condition, performance metrics, and acceptable tolerances to ensure consistent comparison between different transformer models. By setting uniform energy efficiency criteria, NEMA TP1 2002 supports the development of transformer with lower lifetime energy consumption, promotes environmentally responsible design and align with national energy conservation policies. So naka-align na po daw ni siya sa national energy conservation policies. So sa mga dagko kayong transformers, mga katong dry type nga transformers o kanang oil field kanang oil nga transformer sagaran sa mga factory ni siya ginabutang. So man siya mga example sa transformers. Next is NEMA MG2-2001. So safety standard for motors and generators. So katong ganina is motor and generator sa paggama to siya kani safety standards. So NEMA MG2-2001 is a safety standards that provide guidelines for the proper installation, operation and maintenance of motors and generators. So dili ni siya about sa paggama or manufacturing or sa mga yang specs but safety standard sa pag-install, pag-operate. So katong mga operators or nagagamit ani nga mga motors ug katong sa mga maintenance, naga-repair, naga-maintain sa motors or generators sa industrial kay mga hazard man pud kani siya mga electrically hazard o mechanical hazard man gud kani siya nga mga device labi na kung dagko kay sa tanan noise nga mga gears nga mga walay mga belt example mo nana. So the standard focuses on preventing electrical, mechanical, thermal, and operational hazard associated with rotating electrical machines. It covers safety provisions such as required markings, practices, grounding of rotating parts, guarding of rotating parts, allowable temperature limits, insulation safety, fault protection, starting and stopping method, and recommended clearances. The standard also outlines the condition under which motors and generators should be tested to ensure safe operation throughout their service life. So by defining these safety requirements, NEMA MG2-2001 helps ensure that motors and generators are used in a manner that minimizes risk to personnel, equipment, and facilities while maintaining reliable and compliant performance. So example ni siya sa safety standard. So ang mga rotating parts na yung mga kuan na siya yung mga belt guard or guarded siya. Ang uban na yung mga marking sa loob. So next NEMA standard is NEMA XR29-2013. So standard attributes on CT equipment related to DOS optimization. So also known as the standard attributes on CT equipment related to DOS optimization establishes specific technical features that computed tomography, CT scanners must have to support radiation dose reduction and improve patient safety. The standard outlines four essential capabilities: automatic exposure control or AEC, pediatric and adult dose protocol, DCOM or compliant dose structure reporting, and the ability to display CT dose index volume, CTD, CTDI ball, and the dose length products, DLP. This attribute ensures that CT systems can automatically adjust radiation outputs, provide its appropriate imaging settings, document those information accurate, and make those values visible to operators. So, by requiring these optimization features, NEMA XR29-2013 promotes safety imaging practices, reduces unnecessary radiation exposure, and support hospitals in meeting regulatory and accreditation requirements. So, man siya mga examples. So, next is the DC3 2003, Industrial Control and Systems, Push Button Station. So NEMA DC-3-2003 is a standard that defines the construction performance requirements and testing procedure for industrial push-button station used to control machineries and electrical system. It covers both momentary and maintained push-button selector switches, pilot light, and combination control station commonly found in manufacturing facilities, motor control centers, and automation centers. The standard specifies requirements for mechanical durability, electrical ratings, environmental resistant, enclosure types, contact performance, operator interface, design, and marking of identification. It also establishes tests for vibration, impact, temperature, dielectric strength, and operating life to ensure reliability and safety to industrial environment. So, mano siya ang mga example sa mga push button sa motor controls, kaning sa mga lift or elevators, then kaning sa mga fire alarm system. So, unsa man kayo mga benefits sa NEMA standards? So, natay upat ka most common benefits. So, number one dyan na is ang safety and reliability. So, NEMA standard uh, ensures product meet strict safety requirements, reducing the risk of electrical hazard and equipment failure. So, dapat reliable lang yung machines. Safe sad kay siya. Muna siya nga dapat mo pasar sa safety standard. Number two is interoperability. So, the standard ensures that electrical equipment from different manufacturers works together seamlessly, promoting global compatibility. So, sa imo daw kung istorya nga lain-lain nga brand or lain-lain nga manufacturer, lain-lain nga country, mo-operate gyapon siya or mag-match ra gyapon siya. Number three is of course energy efficiency kay pinaka-importante sa ni siya nga energy savings. So NEMA standards help optimize energy use, reduce operational costs and minimize environmental impact through efficient system design. So mao na siya murag in goal god sa once mogamit kag energy di gina mawala ang carbon emissions. So once makasave kag energy, so reduce sad ang imo ang carbon emission. Facilitating trade. So by setting internationally recognized standard like NEMA simplifies global trade and reduces barriers for electrical products in different markets. So since NEMA standard ka or certified ka, murag recognize ang iyong product worldwide. Advantage po siya. So role of national committees. So National Committee of NEMA plays several critical roles in guiding the organization and supporting its mission. Here are the key roles. So mana sila ang nag-develop sa standards. So sila naga-update, sila nagapatuman. Regulatory advocacy. So it engages with government agencies to promote NEMA standards in policies and regulations supporting safety, efficiency, and industry. So naki-coordinate po sila sa mga government bodies or government agencies na ang mga ilang mga standard or ang ilang mga requirements is gina-adapt, gina-apply sa country or ginapalo sa uban nga mga company. Industry representation. So the committee represents the electrical manufacturing industry, providing a unified voice or on challenges on ensuring NEMA standard benefits manufacturers, consumers, and public. So conclusions. So in conclusion, the National Electric Manufacturers Association or NEMA plays a vital role in shaping the electrical industries by establishing high-quality standards that promotes safety, interoperability, and energy efficiency. So, mana siya safe, efficient, so makatabang po siya sa environment. Through its commitment to innovation, regulatory advocacy, and industry representation, NEMA helps manufacturers produce reliable and globally compatible products. The benefits of NEMA standards, such as facilitating international trade and ensuring product safety, continue to drive advancement in the electrical sectors. As technology evolves, NEMA's works remains crucial to fostering a safe, efficient, and sustainable future for electrical system worldwide. So, thank you. Oto siya ang mga mga some of the NEMA standards. Thank you.